Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about India may register maximum number of COVID cases per day between 24th to 5th May 2021. I have made an astrological study, and as a matter of fact, 29th seems to be the most prone day when we will have the maximum number of cases. And after 30th, as a matter of fact, and to be more precise, after 5th of May, the number of coronavirus cases may keep on reducing. And the reasons for this I made very clear that first of all, Mars will be activating the 6.2 degrees of the great conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter on the 21st December 2021. Then Mars will be entering in the Ardra Nakshatra in the early mornings of 25th April 2021. There will be Veda between Mars and Saturn from the 25th April to 16th of May. This period is already most enigmatic, but between this period, what I'm talking is that what are the planetary positions? Now, if you look at the chart of the from the 26th to 29th, it is most enigmatic because Rahu and Saturn will be in Gemini Navamsha. Mars and Ketu will be in Sagittarius Navamsha, the same axis where the solar eclipse of the 26th December took place, and Mars and Ketu joining there, and then Mercury and Moon also join on the 29th. So there will be 4 planets in the Navamsha, in the Sagittarius Navamsha, and there will be 2 planets in Gemini, Rahu and Saturn. So this day seems to be the most enigmatic one. And then on top of it, Rahu is in adverse motion. You know, Rahu is Amrit and its normal motion is retrograde. But when in 2 times or 3 times in a month, when Moon or Sun come close to Rahu or Ketu, then that is the time when Rahu and Ketu, they become stationary and they start moving in a direct motion. And then, as a matter of fact, Rahu is Amrit, so it becomes poison, and it is very bad at that point of time because Rahu is the saying is Sura Suram Rahu Rog Harnam Ketu Rog Karnam. So Rahu is a planet which cures the diseases, but it is Amrit. But when it is not in its normal motion, then it becomes poison. So it spoils the diseases. So till 5th of May, Rahu is in adverse motion, but then in the Navamsha, and then Mars will reach 10 degrees. 10 degrees Mars is most strong, and then in Navamsha it will become exalted. It will come out of Rahu Ketu axis. So it clearly shows that after the 30th, things will start easing, although till 5th also there may be some cases, but after 5th we will start, the decline in cases will start from the 30th, and then after 5th we will see a sharp decline in the COVID cases every day. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. It's a good news, and let us hope for the best. I made an astrological study to see, I've tried my level best. I've done a research seeing what are the planetary position, when can we get some relief from this, the woes of coronavirus. And my feeling is that after 29th, 30th, there will be a drop in the coronavirus cases per day, and then after 5th, there will further be drop. Although Rahu will be in adverse motion in the month of May and June, but then there will be no Veda between Mars and Saturn. But there will be, the one parameter is that Mars will aspect Saturn, so it may not be good for the other global events and even to coronavirus to some extent. But you know, Ketu leaving the just a star, and Ketu and Rahu Ketu becoming Vargottam on the 10th of May, and then 16th there is no Veda between Mars and Saturn. It's clearly showing that we are coming out of the extreme situations. But all this will happen very slowly. Please be assured. It is not going to be just switching off the electricity and then the coronavirus will go away. It will go away very slowly, in a very slow pace. So I'm just finding out the time frames when we could really have a turning point, so that the number of cases, they start reducing. So number of cases maximum will be 29th and 30th. So after that I think it should reduce, and after 5th definitely we'll have the reduction in the number of coronavirus per day as far as India is concerned. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share. Have a good day. Best of luck. Take care. Thank you for listening to me.